On September 1st, 1923, the Great Kanto Earthquake, with a magnitude of 7.9, struck the Kanto Plain on the Japanese main island of Honshu. The earthquake's intensity caused buildings to collapse and fires to break out across Tokyo and Yokohama. An estimated 140,000 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in Japan's history. The tremors lasted for about 10 minutes and were followed by a devastating tsunami. The combined effects of the quake, fires, and tsunami left 57% of Tokyo's buildings destroyed or heavily damaged. This catastrophe led to significant changes in urban planning and disaster preparedness in Japan, shaping its resilient infrastructure for future generations.